Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The learned single judge framed the following point for decision whether the order passed by second respondent on dismissing petitioner's appeal number 751 confirming the action of seizure of products by third respondent under Panchnama warrants any interference by this court in exercise of its power under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop. The summary of consideration or conclusions recorded by the order under appeal is that in the case on hand, the details as recorded in the Panchnama satisfy the declaration mandated by Rule 6 of the rules. Stop. Rule 6 gives option to mention the name of a person who can be or the office which can be contacted in case of consumer complaints. Stop. In the case on hand, the declaration on details of manufacturer etc. are provided and these details would suffice the requirement of Rule 6. Stop. Once the address is available, it is concluded by the order under appeal that it presupposes that that address is also the office of manufacturer for further redressal. Stop. Therefore, it is only necessary for petitioner to indicate mention on packages that the address already mentioned manufacturing address is also the address for consumer complaints. Stop. The learned judge also records that maybe it would have been better if the petitioner had also mentioned on the package that its address is also the address where the consumer complaints can be lodged. Stop. But the absence of such endorsement on the package cannot be said to disable a consumer in any way to sue the petitioner in the event of a grievance or a complaint. Stop. Hence, it is held that the details disclosed are conforming to the requirements of Rule 6 sub-rules. Stop. The above conclusion is founded on purposive interpretation of Rule 6 and thereafter it is held that the seizure under Panchnama is unsustainable and illegal. Stop. Hence, the appeal at the instance of respondents department. Stop. He contends that the order under appeal is unsustainable inasmuch as through the order impugned and through judicial interpretation of a provision of law, a requirement otherwise mandatory in law is substantially rendered directory through purposive interpretation. Stop. According to her, the order impugned suffers from contradictions in findings because the learned single judge, having accepted that the petitioner would have been done better if the name of person official address for consumer complaints is provided on the package bottle, ought not to have held the declaration on packaged commodity is sufficient compliance of Rule 6. Stop. She draws the attention of the court to the unamended and amended Rule 6 and contends that the rule making authority, both from experience and also to achieve efficiency to the objects of the act, deleted the words if available from Rule 6. Stop. The deletion of the words if available by way of amendment ought to be kept in mind while interpreting The amended rule stop. According to her, the court examines the legislative history and the improvement introduced to the language in a section or rule while interpreting the section or the statute. Stop. The interpretation now adopted by the learned single judge, according to respondents, reintroduces the element of discretion or option in furnishing the declaration by the manufacturer, packer, etc. under the Act. Stop.